I lost 180 pounds, and during maintenance, some of the weight came back. This series documents losing 20 pounds realistically without panic, punishment, or starting over. Happy Saturday. I'm kind of having a low-key Saturday. The dogs let me, I got up at 6:30 because they wanted, they're on their deathbed at 6:30, starving to death. So I got up at 6:30 and I fed the crew. And then I crawled back into bed. And I laid down till about 8:30. I was kind of dozing in and off. And then got up, had me some coffee. And perked up a little bit. I think that trip just was a long haul. Hang on just a second. Okay, I want to get y'all plugged in. The trip was a long haul and then staying up late Thursday. So I was tired. So anyway, then I got up and I've started my laundry. I got one load done. All my hanging clothes were washed first. And I got those washed and they're now hanging. And I got like the socks and just like t-shirts. Nobody loves me. Nobody feeds me. I'm just a starving boy. You can feel my ribs underneath all that chubbiness. Anyway, I got my one load done. The other one's in the dryer. I also reorganized my freezer and deep freeze. I kind of took a inventory of it. So I made a video about that, so I don't know where that'll be in the grand scheme of videos. But, so I'll tell you everything that's in there. I'm hungry, so I've got this is some leftover, or this is from last night. I think I had like 3 or 4 pieces last night after I was eating. I was like, I'm kind of done. So I'm kind of enjoying the fact that I'm not compelled to always finish my plate. Okay. I told y'all that the chuck roll, part of it's juicy like a steak, and the other part is chewy because that's a chuck roast or stew meat. That's what that bite was, but I like that. I like the variety of texture. Anyway, so I cleaned out my freezer, and I'm just going to tell you what we have. So that video will come out at some point. So I have 73, this is the cooked portion. There's 4 things that are cooked. I have some 73% burgers that I cooked up, and they're in packages of 2. So there's 5 packages of 2 burgers. Then I have 4 packages of, whenever I made those pork steaks and I was putting them into bite-sized pieces, I have 4 packages of those. And then I have some 93% ground beef, like portioned out. I don't know the portions, but anyway, I can pull those out. But there's 6 of them that are portioned out, 6 little Ziploc baggies. And then Mom made some pulled pork for Easter. It's really in one big Ziploc container. I'm kind of kicking my butt. But anyway, I'm counting it as 2 portions. Then broth. This is why a lot of times in my videos people are like, girl, save that broth. You're about to find out why. I have 6 beef broths, 4 chicken broths, 3 pork broths, and 1 that I have no idea what it is. So it's 10. So I have 14 things of broth in my freezer. So that's a lot. But when I'm sick, what I'll do there, because some of them are in the big gallon Ziplocs, I lay them down to freeze. So when I'm sick, sometimes I'll take it and I'll kind of bang it against the corner of my counter. And then I can take that and drop it into a bowl, kind of break it up and put it in a bowl or a mug and put it in the microwave and have some broth. Then I have 6 like jars of tallow that I've made over the years. And I have 2 containers of lard. At one point, I just was deep frying everything. I just was deep frying pork steak, deep frying everything. I had one of those little Fry Daddy Jr. things. And I was deep frying everything. Well, y'all know I've been on so many kicks over the past 7 years. Yeah, I started in 2019. 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 7 years I've been on this journey. Anyway, so at one point, so I had like, I don't know, 2 small quart jars worth of lard left. So I put it in the jars and stuck it in the freezer. I'm like, it'll stay just fine. It was the kind that you buy on the shelf at Walmart. Now, raw meat, I have pork belly, and I have it in little Ziplocs with 2 like strips of pork belly. There's 7, so 14 strips, but 7 servings of 2. Then I have, you know those, I remember when I get on the kick of making a bunch of bacon the burgers. So I bought a whole bunch of those 12 packs of 85% burger patties. I have 9 packages of those, and there's 12. Hey, Ziggy, what's 9 times 12? Ziggy, what's 9 times 12?
9 times 12 equals 108.
So I have 108 85% burger patties in there in my freezer. I have 2 of those, you know, those chubs of ground beef. My Walmart only sells the 5-pound ones. So I have 2 of the 5-pounders of 80/20. And then they have a yellow sticker. You know how you have your chubs and then you have your trays of meat. So I have 80/20, and it's those 4.5-pound trays of ground beef. I have 2 of those. They had yellow stickers on them. Good job, Terry Bear. Good job. And then portioned. Oh, and then for like the way I'm eating right now, a pound and a pound. I have 8 of my chuck roll steaks and 20 packages of 1 pound of 80/20. So what I just ordered on Amazon was a dry erase little magnet that you put on your freezer. And I'm going to put all this on there, so whenever I eat something, I can take a little wipe and take it off. And just kind of maybe I can keep track of what I have. We'll see. But anyway, because some of it's in the deep freeze, and maybe I should separate it that way, deep freeze versus stand-up freezer. Anyway, that's what I've been working on. Other than that, laundry, and I'm playing my video game and listening to y'all's videos. So I love you guys. Because like me and my character, we're hunting. And so I don't have to listen to any conversations on the game. So it's like my ADHD's happy because my hands are busy, but I'm listening to you guys' videos. So again, just know I watch all your channels. If you are new to me and you have a YouTube channel, put that channel down in the comment section, please. Or if it doesn't let you, wait. No, you put it in the, what's that section? That new thing that I have. Hang on. I was listening to Kelly Hogan having a talk about GLP-1s. Oh, my dryer downstairs just beeped. What's that thing called? Hang on, you just hold your horses. What is that section called? It's like where we talk. Where we can talk to each other. Well, I'm on my channel. It says me, and then my channel. I guess it's different on my iPad versus my watch, or versus my phone. Let me see if this says it. What if I want to hit the post button? Maybe it'll give me the option. No. I don't know. Anyway, there is another section, and it's like all of our well, it says posts. So I posted on Thursday. I don't know what it's called. I think comment section maybe. I don't know. Anyway, if it doesn't let you post a link in the if you cannot post a link, which you can't, I think you can't post a link in the regular comment section, but in this community tab, woo, doggies, y'all, I am slipping. Go to the community tab and post and tell us what your channel is and what it's about and the link to it. Because I like the idea of us helping each other out. So if you're, your channel and you want to share your channel with others, just go to the community tab and say videos about making soap and then your link, or videos about organization and put your link. So I would love for us to kind of be a community that supports each other. So follow each other, watch each other's ads, because that's if you watch the video from beginning to end, that's what helps the the person. So put your channel down there and yeah. So let's kind of keep helping each other out. So all right, I'll see you next thing. I'm gonna eat. Y'all, everybody talks about doing the sardine fast and, eating sardines because they're good in omegas. Well, I don't like fish. Never have. Only way I liked it is when my mama, she used to soak it in Sprite and pancake powder. She just mixed it, not real thick, and it was enough to soak that gamey, fishy flavor out. Well, I'm going to have some regrets probably. But we are going to try some sardines together. I'm like, everybody talks about how good sardines are for us, but so what I'm going to do is I'm going to open it up. I know you can't really see, but I'm going to open it up over my, oh, they got fins, I think. It looked like I could just go. It looks like a real fish. I mean, hang on, let me pull this out. Oh, it's a whole fish. Look at that. It ain't the head, thank goodness. Let me pull it out just a minute here. All right. Be brave. Oh! 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 Ew! 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 No! What's wrong with you people? What is wrong with you? How do you? Ew! My God! How? Ew! No! No! That's the worst thing I ever done had in my life. No! I'd rather take a bite of a dog treat. That was the nastiest thing I done ever had in my life. You people got a problem. You got a problem that's disgusting. Blech! Dogs ate them. They liked them, but no way. Don't ever ask me about sardines again. No. Y'all just ain't right. I'm here to tell you. You ain't right, them old nasty fish. Dogs like them, but bleh. All right. It is supper time, and I have an orange creamy. So we're going to give this a taste. That's good. I think it's orange cream. One of the new spring flavors. And then I took me one of my steaks, and I did it the way I've been doing it. I stick it in the air fryer. I heat up the air fryer 5 minutes. While I was doing that, I seasoned up my steak. Then I put it in the air fryer and let it go about 7 minutes. And then I flip it. And then I add a bunch of, then I pull it out, flip it, add water, and those dehydrated garlic. I should add, I need to add minced onion to it. That would be amazing too. Y'all, stinking amazing. That broth down there, it's like a beef broth. Man, hang on. I gotta take another bite. You just have to wait a minute. I got that one seasoned perfect. Well, yeah, that's some good stuff, Maynard. Real good stuff. Yeah, I think even Mikey would like that. Got my drink here. So that's what I know. It was a good day. Got my laundry finally done. I didn't do any house cleaning. No, I ain't about that life today. I needed a chill day. And that's what I did. So, all right. I love you guys, and I'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow's church day, but not Judy day. Judy is at my sister's house for the weekend. She is staying in Jefferson City. I got an alert. You know that Life 360, I got my mom on it, and I'll never look at it, but last night I got an alert. It says, from Life 360, it said, there is a tornado warning where Judy is. I'm like, so I called my mom. I'm like, hey, is there a tornado warning? She's like, yeah. It's like, we're sitting here watching and we're about to go downstairs. I'm like, all right. So I'm like, okay. Corn flabbit. My mama leaves my sight and I just get all sappy. But anyway, all right. I love you, weirdos, and I'll see you tomorrow. Today looks a little different. I didn't have afternoon coffee, but that is my morning coffee and then my lunch, and it was wonderful. And then this is my dinner, my bedtime snack, and my total macros for the day. Thanks for watching, guys.